So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So I was working on Clio. I got a little delivery from the parts gods, and I don't know what all they brought me. Other than, this is an alternator, and it is 100% chrome. Wow. Yeah. So we'll have to see about, because I want to go to those flat belt pulleys, so I got to see about changing that pulley. Anyway, spark plugs. I assume this is a shock because, I see the picture. Yeah. Some brand new shocks. I do not know. This box is heavy. I do not know what it is. It's the rear. Oh, we've got air shocks. So this is going to be right up the 80s here, man. Back in the day, all us boys, we would get air shocks, put them on the back of our car, and then we'd put, the max air pressure in them to get that rake going. And then the biggest tire we could get without rubbing anything, as long as the air shocks were aired all the way up. You get like in the winter time and you go to drive somewhere and cold air would set in, and your air shocks went from 100 pounds down to like 60, and then you rub your tires all the way to a gas station because nobody had an air compressor. And yeah, that was the days. This is a light box. Let's see what's in here real quick. This is the only thing in there. This would be the fuel line from the pump to the carburetor, which will make it nice. That way we're not just putting a stud on there and running some hose and all that crap. And with the nice bends in it, it should go right where it's supposed to. Yep, that's all that is in that box. So go to this box. This box is surprisingly light too. Okay. So this is a great big box with the tranny lines in. So that'll be nice because that will run just like factory right there. So yeah, there'll be no rubber line for the transmission at all, which you'd like to keep it that way. Because then normally your metal lines you don't have any issues with. They don't leak. They don't hardly break. They don't hardly have issues, Rubber lines, seems like you're always fighting a little dribble or something, So this is really good. This is gonna be nice. They're definitely spending some money on this car, but it deserves it. It's a good little car. So I bet I know what this is, judging from the size of the box. Because it hasn't been that long since I unboxed another one. But let's take a look at it here. See what this one looks like. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. So it would go like this. dual fan, aluminum, and it's hard to judge on aluminum if that's a 2 or a 3-core aluminum, but that'll be equivalent to about a 4-core radiator. That'll keep this guy cool, man. This is nice. So I don't know, next few days I'll start putting some parts in and start some more videos. So I think that's it. Which, you know, probably the first thing I'll do is throw the spark plugs in it. That'll be easy peasy. Radiator would probably be next. That shouldn't be bad. And then I get some help. I'll try to throw the trans lines in it after the radiator's in, and then the fuel line. Then I'll worry about shocks and the alternator. Probably alternator before shocks, unless I got to find out about that flat belt system. So the problem with that flat belt system is I was looking at it, and it's got a grooved pulley for the alternator. It's got a grooved pulley for the crank, and then it's got a flat belt pulley for the water pump. So it's smooth. So that is supposed to go down around the alternator, down around the crank, and then it'll flip up around the water pump. And then it's supposed to go around another idler and then back over to the alternator. And the way that water pump pulley is, you cannot make it work with 3 points. You need 4 points. So I got to find out what they're going to do about that. I've told them about it, so they're probably looking into something. But yeah, this is a good start right here. This will, I mean, this is getting it running. And once it's running, then it's on to brakes and shocks. And once we're done with brakes and shocks, then we'll probably start doing a little bit of body and see if we can throw a quick little paint job on this guy and make it look pretty decent for the old man, and you know, make it something he's proud to drive in, and something he can tinker on, and draw some attention. He always loved the old Cougars, and I'm glad to be part of helping him get one back on the road. So anyway, all right, Redneck Mutt, peace.